Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix there are no startup items to display in Windows 10. Right-click Start button, click Run, type %local app data %, click OK. Click App Data, open Roaming folder, open Microsoft folder, open Windows folder. Open Start Menu folder, open Programs folder. Create new folder named as Startup. Restart Windows Explorer. Right-click Taskbar, click Task Manager, click Startup tab. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.